Previously, we explained the chapters and bits of simple tissues, complex tissues, special tissues. Now, we will explain anatomy in plants and secondary growth. Anatomy in plants, we have 5 concepts: TS of dicot root, TS of monocot root, TS of dicot stem, TS of monocot stem, TS of dicot leaf and TS of monocot leaf. Dicot leaf is also called dorsiventral leaf. Monocot leaf is also called isobilateral leaf. So, we discuss anatomy of TS of dicot root, anatomy of TS of monocot root. The basic difference, even though both are roots, there are some basic differences in dicot root and monocot root. The best difference is in dicot root, pericycle produces lateral roots and cork cambia, whereas in monocot roots, pericycle produces only lateral roots, it does not process cork cambia. In dicot root, the xylem is tetrarch and exarch maximum, whereas in monocot root, the xylem is polyarch and exarch. In dicot roots, central medulla is reduced due to the extensive growth of metaxylem vessels. In monocot roots, a central medulla is prominently present. These are some basic differences. Then dicot stem, monocot stem. Dicot stem shows eustele, limited number of vascular bundles arranged in the form of a ring. Epidermis shows trichomes. Hypodermis is collenchymatous. General cortex helps in conduction and storage. Endodermis is also called star sheath. Pericycle is sclerenchymatous. Vascular bundles are conjoint, collateral, open. Whereas in between two vascular bundles, medullary rays, and at the center a prominent medulla will be present. Coming to monocot stem, it shows epidermis, sclerenchymatous hypodermis, parenchymatous ground tissue, and numerous vascular bundles irregularly scattered in the cytoplasm or ground tissue, which is popularly called atactostele. Atactostele is supposed to be the most advanced character in almost all monocots. Every vascular bundle is conjoint, collateral, and closed. Open in dicot means cambium is present in between xylem and phloem. Closed in monocots means cambium is absent in between xylem and phloem. Then second, in monocot stem, general cortex, endodermis, pericycle, medulla, medullary rays are completely absent. Coming to the, and in monocot stem, just below the protoxylem vessels, there is a special structure formed by the disintegration of cells called lysogenous cavity or protoxylem lacuna, which is absent in dicot stem. Then leaves, upper epidermis, lower epidermis, adaxial, abaxial surfaces. Particularly in a monocot leaf, upper epidermis, some of these cells become bulliform cells, large cells with hygroscopic in nature, helping in rolling and unrolling of leaves. They are called bulliform cells. In monocot leaf and dicot leaf difference, mesophyll is divided into palisade tissue and spongy tissue in the case of dicot leaf. Mesophyll is homogeneous sclerenchymatous tissue in the case of monocot leaf. Regarding vascular bundle, both are same. Endodermis, not I don't say endodermis, it is bundle sheath, but because of the presence of Casparian thickenings, it is regarded as endodermis. Vascular bundles in both the leaf, dicot and monocot leaves, are conjoint, collateral, and closed. Cambium is completely absent. That means leaves absolutely not show any secondary growth. Now, we discuss some important bits in anatomy. First, this is a matching tabular form. Match the following and choose the correct combination. Troponatans, Pisum sativum, Ricinus communis, Nicotiana, tobacco. We have to remember one tabular form. Monarch and exarch. In dicot root, it will come Tropa. Diarch and exarch, Nicotiana. Triarch and exarch, Gossypium. I don't say Gossypium, it is Pisum. Tetrarch and exarch, it is Gossypium. This triarch and exarch condition is also found in hibiscus. So, Pisum and hibiscus. Pentarch and exarch in Ricinus. Octarch and exarch in a plant called Castanea. These are the variations in a vascular bundle of a dicot root. Variations in the vascular bundle of a dicot root. Tropa, monarch condition. So, when it coming to the combinations, match the following and choose the correct answer. Tropa is, the answer is 2 here. A 5, Trapanutens Morant condition. Pisum sativum triarch condition 3. Ricinus communis pentarch condition 1. Nicotiana tabacum diarch condition 2. So A5, B3, C1, D2. So Trapanutens is monarch and exarch. Pisum sativum is triarch and exarch. Pisum sativum is triarch and exarch. Ricinus communis is pentarch and exarch, and Nicotiana tabacum is diarch and exarch. So A5, B3, C1, D2. The matching of this is correct is second option.